Okay, Aiden, we are at the last piece of this. The screen that you did and the brushes that you did fit in here. You just lay them in and you slide them in. And then you will find a place where the plastic rod fits into the holder. Then you place the screen. He's going to see how dirty it is. You place the screen in front of the brushes, and the last piece you do is the black tube goes in front of the clear plastic one, and you cover this. Put the cover back on. Now, the final step of all of this is to go back to where the extension was. You go underneath, you find the yellow extension, and the first time you press the black to turn it off, and now you press the clear to turn it on. And that will turn the fountain on. It takes a wee bit, but you'll see it flowing. And you know that you've completed the job. And thank you for taking this on.